No, 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 no.
Strangest three-way ever.
He's like, man, can you please get off of her? I think you're done. I wonder if she's enjoying that. She doesn't look like she is. He's like, yo, bro, you're done. You're done. Oh.
Oh my God, it's a pair of white woman's breasts. It must be Christmas. I ain't never seen, I only heard about these. Let me see what's under that. Oh my God, let me see. Hey, cuz, you got on that red hat. You better get up out of here. You don't know where you at. You know where you at. Ooh, this season crip, cuz, get out of here. This water pretty good, man. I appreciate it. It's hot too. Let me get that. Get up out of here. Punk. Give me this water, punk. Good. Hey, man, get the phone out my face, man. I don't like phones, man. Get the phone out get it out of my face. You know, we've been taking things a little slow. We need to go to the next level. Let me see what's under that dress. That's the next level. Get out of here. Yeah. Ooh, a snack. That's pretty good. Go and get out of here now. Hey, man, I told him to leave.
Rock, you said you was 9 inches. And this pinky toe don't even get hard.
I am hard, watch this.
Oh, I know you just didn't make that chicken nugget move like that. Wait a minute, is that pocket lint?
Eat you pussy niggas like a fucking sandwich.